Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send USDC from Trust Wallet to Crypto.com in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or just need a quick refresh, this guide will have you transferring your USDC smoothly and securely. By the end, you'll feel confident handling this common transaction. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both the Trust Wallet app and a Crypto.com account set up on your device. In 2025, crypto interfaces are even more user-friendly, but always double-check for the latest updates to avoid any hiccups. Start by opening your Trust Wallet app and navigating to the USDC token. You'll find it in your wallet dashboard. Look for the USDC icon or search for it in the Assets section. Once you're on the USDC page, tap on the Send button. This is where the magic happens. Now, you need the recipient address from Crypto.com. Head over to your Crypto.com app or website, go to your wallet, and copy the USDC deposit address. Pro tip: always verify that you're copying the correct address to prevent any mix-ups. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Back in Trust Wallet, paste the address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of USDC you want to send, but don't forget to check the network fees. In 2025, most transfers use networks like Polygon or Ethereum, so select the right one to keep costs low. Review the details one last time, then hit Confirm to initiate the transfer. After sending, keep an eye on your transaction status. You can track it using the Block Explorer for the network you're using. Once it confirms, your USDC should appear in your Crypto.com wallet. And just like that, you're done. Remember, security is key in crypto. Use two-factor authentication and never share your private keys. If you run into any issues, reach out to the support teams for Trust Wallet or Crypto.com. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.